Good morning, students. Today we are going to study from your English book Applied English. From Applied English, today we will study chapter number 5 Dialogue Writing. Dialogue Writing. Dialogue means page number 48. Dialogue means conversation. Conversation between two persons. Situations are given, we have to write dialogues, conversation from our own imagination. There is not any definite way that the same line you have to write. All students can write some differently. Only the hints are given, those can match, but writing styles may be different. For example, on page 48, three dialogues have been written. Three dialogues, solved examples, 3. First number is dialogue between rabbit and tortoise. The speaker name is first written. Rabbit, tortoise talking. Rabbit, you walk so slowly. Rabbit speaks, you walk so slowly. Tortoise speaks, it does not cause any stress. So for dialogue writing, we name of a speaker we write first, then we write dash. Rabbit speaks rabbit, tortoise speaks tortoise. The speaker name is first written, then what he speaks. For example, page number 49. 49 page, assignment B8, dialogue writing. I read the question. Write a dialogue between a stranger. A stranger means person you don't know. A stranger, unknown person, and a student on the school campus in about 100 words. In this, you have to write a dialogue from your own imagination, in which the two speakers are, first is a stranger, second is a student. Both are talking in the school campus. Hint is given. Hint you must use. Hint is principal's office, wrong fee concession form, the required form. Oh, from hint we understand that a stranger has come to school. He wants to know where the principal's office is. He has a form in his hand, but that is not the right fee concession form. That is wrong fee concession form. The students tells him where the principal's office is, and also inform him where he can find the required necessary form. He has filled wrong form, necessary form where he can find. The students inform it. So the starting we can write stranger. First stranger speaks. Stranger speaks. Will you please show me the principal's office? Stranger asks the student, will you please show me the principal's office? Then student. Student speaks, yes, it is over there to the left side. Yes, it is over there to the left side. Now, what we will write? Student spoken. Now, stranger will speak. Stranger speaks, thanks. Thanks, and said, thanks. I have come to submit fee concession form. Stranger says, thanks. I have come to submit fee concession form. Then a student says, I am sorry. I am sorry to say, I am sorry to say, but this is the wrong, but this is the wrong fee concession form. Then stranger says, okay, from where, can I get the right form? From where can I get the right form? Student says, you can get the form from the administrative office. You can get the form from the administrative office. Administrative section. The stranger says, thank you so much. That's the end. This way or any other different way, thinking your own self, you can write this dialogue. Now we see dialogue number 2. Write telephonic conversation. This dialogue is not in front of each other, not present. Two boys, Kamal and Akshay. Kamal and Akshay talk on telephone about the latter's lost identity card. Letters means second. Who is second? Akshay. Akshay identity card is lost. Hint is given. The lost identity card found. Oh, Akshay lost identity card, but identity card is found. Contact after 9 p.m. Kamal tells him to contact after 9 p.m. and also to reach school early tomorrow, and tells to reach early tomorrow. The hint is that Akshay has lost his identity card, but Kamal has found it and says him to contact after 9 p.m. at night, and also tells him to reach school early tomorrow. Now imagine your own dialogue, how to write. 1. I speak. It's not necessary that what I speak same you will write. Something different words, using different words you can write. Suppose Kamal. Kamal telephones. Kamal telephones, calls and says, Kamal, hello. Hello Akshay, how are you? Hello Akshay, how are you? Akshay says, Akshay speaks, I'm fine, but I have problem. But I have lost my identity card. I have lost my identity card. Akshay speaks. Then Kamal speaks. Kamal speaks. Don't worry. Your identity card has been found. Don't worry. Your identity card has been found. Then Akshay says, I am so glad to hear that. When can I get my identity card back? When can I get my identity card back? Kamal says, you can contact after 9 p.m. You can contact after 9 p.m. Akshay says, okay Kamal, I will call. Okay Kamal, I will call. Kamal says, if you forget to call, reach the school early tomorrow. Reach school early tomorrow. Akshay says, okay Kamal, I will reach school early tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye. So students, this way you can write. from your own imagination in a different way also you can write, but hints you must use in the dialogue. That's all. Thank you.